To reset your Twitter or X feed and improve its relevance, follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Twitter or X application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. By default, Twitter shows a mix of recommended tweets in For You tab and to see tweets only from the accounts you follow. Switch to the following tab and you'll be done. You can also go to the search bar, which is the magnifying glass icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then also tap on the X next to recent searches to clear them. Tap on Clear to confirm. Or you can also mute or unfollow irrelevant accounts. So if you see irrelevant account or content, unfollow the accounts that are posting unwanted content. And you can mute certain word, phrases, or hashtags. For that, click on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety. Go to Mute and Block and then tap on Muted Words. Add the terms you no longer want to see. You can also reset interest. Adjust your interest to refine recommendations. For that, you need to go to Settings and Support and then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Privacy and Safety and click on Content You See and go through the settings to refine your feed. You can also report the irrelevant tweets. Tap on the three dots on any tweet and then click on Not Interested in this post to help Twitter refine your feed. And if you're using app, you can clear the cache to refresh the content. For iOS, you can upload and reinstall the app. And for Android, you can tap and hold the application first and then tap on the eye icon in the top. Scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. Last but not least, also try reinstalling the application. If none of the above steps work, uninstall it and reinstall the Twitter application to refresh your feed completely. And this process should help reset your Twitter feed and tailor it to your preferences. This was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.